How to unlock your iPad if you've forgotten the passcode. So if you're locked out of your iPad, I'm going to show you how to reset and recover the iPad. Now the first thing you need to do is come over to a computer or a Mac and you need to go and load up the iTunes app. Now if you don't already have this installed on your computer, you can go and download it completely for free, and this will work on both Windows and Mac computers. Once you have iTunes open like this, we then need to come over to the iPad. Now make sure the iPad is turned on and you should be able to see the lock screen window like this. Now all you need to do is grab a USB-C cable and plug one end into the iPad and the other end into your computer or Mac. Now once you've done this, you need to go and press the following keys. We're going to quickly press the volume up button, the volume down button, and then you need to hold down the lock screen button. So I'll do this with you now so you can see what this looks like. So we're going to quickly tap the volume up, tap the volume down, and then hold the lock screen button in the top right hand side. Now continue to hold this button down until the iPad goes completely black. Once the screen's black, continue to hold this button down, and after about 10 more seconds, you should see the Apple logo appear. Now continue to hold the button down until the Apple logo turns into this recovery screen. If it doesn't work the first time, you can just go and repeat these steps. Now as long as your iPad's connected to your computer and you have iTunes open, you're going to see this message pop up. Now from here we can just press the restore button, and essentially this is going to delete all of the data on your iPad. Now once everything's been reset, this will remove the passcode so you can then go and unlock and access your iPad. Just bear in mind that if you want to recover your data, you need to ensure that it's backed up to the iCloud, and then you can restore your data once the iPad has been reset.